YouTube channel. OA. So, long time no video, no vlog. Charis. Busy lang talaga ako kaya ito na yung right time para gumawa ng video. So, ang agenda natin for today's video, syempre, malamang may agenda. Kaya nagbi-video eh. Uy, hindi. So, ang agenda nga natin today is ngayong araw, hindi na ngayong araw, bukas pa. Kasi today is April 16 and bukas pa yung alis namin ng gabi. So, hulaan nyo kung saan kami pupunta. Hindi, wag nyo lang hulaan. So, we're going to our province. And ang schedule ng flight namin is April 18 pa talaga. Kaso April 18 ng 3 o'clock in the morning. And so balak namin na punta ng airport tomorrow, April 17 ng gabi. Para doon lang kami maghihintay ng oras. Malamang, alam naman, di ba? Hindi nagtitink ng right. So, this is my first time na mag-travel na wala kasamang mas matanda sa akin kasi ako yung mas matanda. So, I'm with my cousin. Kami lang dalawa talaga na uuwi ng province. Kasi, why not? Kami to malamang. Kidding aside, di mo kaya. Tapos, nasa na ako, Ayun, kami dalawa lang ang uuwi kasi matagal nang na-book yung flight na yon. Parang March pa, April, one month na na-book na yung 1 month ago. Ha? Ang gulo ka usap. So, ayun. Kaming dalawa lang. Kasi, why not? Try something new. Bago ma-stress ulit sa work. So, magbabakasyon muna kami. So, ayun. Dami ko sinasabi. Bukas na lang, Ang totoo niya, nakapag-impake na ako ng things ko na dadalhin. So, ang inaantay na lang talaga is yung day ng pag-alis namin here sa Laguna. So, ayun, bukas na lang. See you! boarding pass. Pwede nang mag-abroad. Charis. So, we decided to eat first kasi, anong oras pa lang? Flight namin is 3 a.m. pa. And it's already 10:35, I guess. So, ayun. We decided to eat. Siyempre, Jollibee. Lighting dun. Isa pa. Ayan.
This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Your seat and fasten your seat belt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest.
bag ko. Ano yung bag ko pala?
Kita niya sa bakit.
Hi! Hello, Philippines! Oh, it's Papa Noy.
Ano ba? Hirap lang.
Nandito na kami sa house mo. Ay. Good morning, people of the Philippines. Yeah. So, here's my kwarto. Yan. Di ba siya nagagawa kasi wala pa akong pera. Need pa niyang i-finishing and lagyan ng window. Ayun yung view. Kita mo yung, ayun, kita mo siya. Tapos dito naman mga mangga. This is my room. And dito, tawag ko kung kanino to. Maganda rin yung view kasi, look at that. Diba? So relaxing. So umaga. Yan. Perfect.